Welcome to 95 Portage Avenue, a well-maintained bungalow on a 50 by 125 foot lot nestled amongst newly constructed and renovated homes. The home is ideally located next to all of life's necessities, including grocery stores, banking, coffee shops, Humber River running and biking trails, schools, parks, and playgrounds. It is also minutes from Highway 400 and 401 and the UP and GO station, making this home ideal for commuting to downtown Toronto, Pearson Airport, and the rest of the GTA. Now that we've seen the area, let's preview the home. This bungalow comes with plenty of parking, an attached garage, and this massive pool-sized backyard. Now heading inside the home, the main floor features an L-shaped living and dining room overlooking the front yard, an eat-in kitchen, 3 bedrooms, and a bathroom. The basement has a separate entrance and full-height ceilings in the large living, dining, kitchen, and laundry areas, and also comes with an additional bathroom. Welcome home.